Hey guys, it's Matt, inventor and co-founder of AirBags Inflatable Sleeping Bags. We recently had a lot of questions regarding the airbags, so we're here today to answer some of those questions. Before we get to that, however, I'd like to thank everyone who has backed us so far. We're 25% of the way there, and I'm very excited about that. We're going to look at each of our models more in depth today, starting with the 1.0. The 1.0 is a rectangular shaped air mattress. It's great for camping and sleepovers. It's good down to 50 degrees. It has a two-stage valve system, like all of our sleeping bags. Open the first valve to blow it up, and you open the second valve to quickly deflate it. The 1.0 has a hollow fiber fill and is ripstop, like all of our sleeping bags. We have a string here you can pull to tighten this up, Velcro, and it's got the air mattress inside. Next up we have the 2.0. This is the middle of our lineup, and it's a hybrid mummy bag. It's a little wider than a traditional mummy bag and a little more roomy as well. This one is graded down to 40 degrees, and the first bag is rated down to 50. Like the 1.0, it has a string so you can pull in the top to keep you more warm. It also has the Velcro strap, and this one has nice cotton lining. It's got a custom fit air mattress. All of our airbags have custom fit air mattresses to fit with the corresponding sleeping bag. This is the 2.0. Lastly, we have our flagship model, the AirBag 3.0. Like our other models, it has its custom fit air mattress with a two-stage valve system. It's got dual zippers. It's got 320T ripstop shell and liner. It's got goose down fill and baffles to keep the heat in. This one is rated down to 15 degrees and will keep you warm in the harshest conditions. I really hope this answered your questions and helped you understand what airbags are a little more. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment below or shoot us an email and we'll get back to you right away. Otherwise, we hope you'll join us on this adventure and become a backer. Thank you for your interest.